Hello, Instagram. Hello. Okay, so thank you for tuning in today. I am Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company, located here in Culver City, California, and we're doing a quick video today to tell you about our sale. We're currently having a 20 to 50% off sale right now at magichaircompany.com and here in our Culver City store. Here in store, we're currently open Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. here in our Culver City store, where you can try on any of the wigs that I have behind me, place a custom wig order, and have a one-on-one consultation with our wig colorist. We make the best full lace and front lace glueless wigs, and we do the best custom coloring. Hi everybody, thank you guys for watching. So in today's video, we are going to talk about styling a wig. So here we have body wave. This is actually a body wave with some bangs. This is unit number 344. So this is unit number 344. If you like any of these wigs, they are all in stock and available at magichaircompany.com, or of course here in our Culver City store. This wig right here is wig number 470. That is the unit number. Wig number 470, which is our beautiful kinky curly texture. Hopefully you guys can see this on camera. I'm going to wet it down right now. That's perfect, thank you. And then we have here wig number 476, which is a silky straight, has a little bit of an ombre there, blonde. All of these are 10-inch wigs, and we're going to show you how to easily style a human hair front lace wig from Magic Hair Company. It's very easy to style our wigs. Which one should I start with? I'll start with the wavy one here. So let me move these two ladies over a little. This is our body wave hair. It's very easy to style. We've custom colored it here. You guys can see this color on camera. Again, this is unit number 344. So simple ways to style this. You can trim some layers into it, or you can hydrate it to get the curl pattern more defined. I'll actually section off this right here, and then I will hydrate it. In this spray bottle, I have our hydrating curl definer and amplifier, and this is exactly what you need to hydrate your curly, wavy, deep body wave, kinky extensions from Magic Hair Company. This is what I have here. You guys can't see this on camera, but this is our hydrating curl, there we go, hydrating curl definer and amplifier. This is exactly what you need when you are styling your curly and wavy wigs. So right now I am combing this, the product through the wig right there, just to get it fully saturated. Let me clip this part back because I'm not going to wet down the whole wig just for the sake of time. I'm trying to keep this video under 10 minutes today. So in this spray bottle, I have our curl definer and some water. I simply just shake it up. I'm going to wet this wig down here. I like to get it so it's damp. It doesn't have to be soaking wet, and the easiest way to keep your waves and curls nice and defined is once you wet it, just let it dry. So it's best to wet your hair, especially if it's longer curly hair, curly or wavy hair, in the evening. Take it off, put your hair on like a wig stand or something, and let it dry. That way those curls can just, dry very naturally, nice and scrunched up. Very, very simple, very easy to maintain. Or you can do like I do when I have long curly hair, wet it in the shower. So this is this wavy right here. You see I'm just scrunching it up. Let me section this part back here that I did not wet. And our hydrating curl definer amplifier is available on our website. And of course it's available here in store. So I'm thoroughly hydrating this, scrunching it up so it is nice and defined. And then there you go. So this is the wavy hair right here. And there you go. So that is some of our wavy hair. Whoop! Section off. That's unit 344. I think we actually have another one. And I'll start hydrating this one here, which is our kinky curly. Thank you. So that is what this one looks like right here. So you guys see we wet this section over here. You see this wave pattern getting nice and defined right here. And then this is the hair that still needs to be hydrated in the back there. So this is unit 344. She's available now. This is a 10-inch wavy, very easy to style. The next wig I will be styling is this unit. It's a 10-inch kinky curly, unit number 740. I'm going to take a small section of the hair right here in front, fully saturated, and show you the difference in the curl pattern when the hair is wet or when it's dry. They are both great options to wear your curly hair. You can wear it freshly hydrated and it has a really, really nice defined curl pattern. Or after it dries, you can just fluff that out as this wig is right here. So it gives you a lot of option and versatility when you're wearing your curly or wavy hair, especially our curly and kinky curly. A lot of our clients love wearing this texture right here, the kinky curly, nice and defined, where other clients love to only wear it really, really fluffed out and never wash or hydrate their hair because they only want it to have the very, very natural, fluffed out curly look. And that's your choice. Wear it however you want. That's the great thing about shopping with us and using our really high quality hair is you can wear it however you want. So hopefully you guys see this curl pattern being defined on camera. Let's see, can you guys see this? So that is the curly hair there after being wet. Let's see, can you guys see this? So there you go, there's our kinky curly. So you can wear it with this more wet and maintained look here. Which are both great styling options. So as you can see here, the hair is dry. And then here, the hair has been wet down. Oh, you can see it right next to each other. So this side is the wet side. This side is the dry side. This is the wet side right here. You guys see these curls that are wet? This is what I just hydrated with our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. There you go, very easy to maintain. Whoop. Let me know if you guys have any questions below. Let me keep you straight here.
Are you having sales promotions right now?
Our current sale is 20 to 50% off everything that is available on the website, magichaircompany.com. And then this one right here, I'm going to put a cute little curl in. Again, all of our wigs are on our website right now, and we do have wigs available in store. We're having our 20 to 50% off sale, so you don't want to miss out. We are located here in Culver City, California. Hi, we're located in Culver City, California. We welcome you to come on in, try on a wig. We have our wig maintenance. Hi. We have wig maintenance. We have our very own hair care product line. We have our shampoo and conditioner that you can see in the cases down here and below, which is a keratin shampoo and conditioner. It's for color hair, so it's color safe, and you can use it on your own natural hair. This wig that I have on is a 20-inch curly wig, straight wig that I put some curls in yesterday. Actually, we put these curls in like 2 weeks ago and I just brushed them out yesterday. This is kinky curly hair right here. So this is wig number 740 and this is wig number 344. So if you're new to shopping with Magic Hair Company, all of our wigs have a 3-digit unit number. Go on over to magichaircompany.com. That's the only place you can get our wigs online, magichaircompany.com. Don't be scammed, fooled, or bamboozled by these Facebook ads offering 3 wigs for $55 saying it's a Magic Hair Company clearance. If there's a Magic Hair Company clearance, it will come from me directly and be on our website. So don't get fooled by these companies on Facebook, guys. Only shop with us here at magichaircompany.com or in store. We don't sell wigs on Amazon, nothing like that, guys. Shop with us here in store. Utilize our chat feature online to chat with us and let us know if you have any questions about anything you see on our website. If there's a particular color or texture or link that you like that you don't see, give us a call, send us a message. We do have our chat feature on there, and we will gladly assist you with any questions or concerns that you have. Okay, so now I'm going to curl this last piece here. Actually, maybe I'll curl like 2 or 3 pieces just to show you guys what it looks like. So this is me curling this piece here. It's really easy to curl our hair. It's 100% human hair. We do include styling and trimming with any purchase from Magic Hair Company. So if you get a wig from us and you want us to cut some bangs or some layers, we will gladly do that for you, and there's no additional charge. So right now I'm just taking a little piece of hair right here and adding some curls. And it's very easy to curl. It will definitely style your wig for you. We do have quad pay available on our website. We do have free domestic shipping as well as in-store layaway, quad pay, in-store pickup, and yes, we do ship internationally. And I'll do just one more curl here for you guys. Again, check out our sale going on right now at magichaircompany.com. We have the best glueless, full lace, and front lace wigs available here in our Culver City store. We include styling, and we do definitely prefer that you make an appointment right now. Again, I just compared these 3 different textures. See how this curl right here? You can easily curl our hair. This is wig number 476. This is wig number 344 with bangs. And this is wig number 740, a kinky, curly, 10-inch front lace unit that we styled. Again, ladies and gentlemen, check out our sale going on right now at magichaircompany.com. We have the best glueless and full lace front lace wigs available, and we do custom coloring in store. Check out our wigs. Come visit us in store. We are Magic Hair Company, where we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. We'll see you soon, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.